Good evening, everyone. This is the Info Discussion question video assignment for Medtronics pacemaker assignment. My name is Tyranda Say. Okay, Medtronic in China. This video will discuss the how a company can encourage its employees to take the initiative, make a profit, and be ethically and socially be responsible. How does the decision relate to these Medtronic stakeholders, shareholders of Medtronic stock, Medtronic employees, and the Chinese patients? What are the strengths and weaknesses of this decision from a marketing viewpoint and an ethical viewpoint? So, how can a company encourage its employees to take initiative, make a profit, and be ethically and socially responsible? Okay, so companies can increase company profits by engaging with the employees more. Maybe do some surveys, ask questions, get the employees' input to see how things work on the floor, and see if anything can be changed to work better. But a few businesses are aware of the research on the subject. As for some businesses don't even talk to the employees or, engage with them as far as, the business. However, linking profit growth to abstract variables that are frequently difficult to define is challenging task. And sometimes the challenging task is to engage with the company's employees. You must start by building a company morale, and that can also help with the initiative and help the company make profit. And it'll also cut back on employees missing work or the attendance changeover or a total a high turnover rate with the company. Relate Medtronic's decision to sell pacemakers in China to its corporate mission statement. How does the decision relate to the Medtronic stakeholders? Well, when I was listening to the video, Medtronic's goal is to strip their project down in order to compete with smaller companies. The company is already at the top in China, but its competitive forces are smaller businesses that sell the lower end pacemakers, which are lower end, but according to the material, it's cost efficient. However, it's lower end, which means those pacemakers may not work as well. Once the population start purchasing the pacemakers, they can begin to upsell the product. So that way they can make a profit as well as take care of the customers and with their best interests at heart. What are the strengths and weaknesses of this decision from a marketing viewpoint and an ethical viewpoint? Medtronic is the world's leading medical technology company, according to the material, the video, and sells products to alleviate heart arrhythmia and neurology disorders, such as heart pacemakers, defibrillators, and angioplasty balloon catheters. According to the case study, the physician's desire were very clear. They wanted a highly reliable, basic pacing device that will allow them to serve more people in need. So the physicians were more concerned about servicing the population in need as opposed to the greed of the pacemaker or even making a profit. They even had a rapport with the patients in the hospital. But instead of talking down to them, they would become one with them and just whisper to them. Medtronic's head of development even agreed to support the project. The project also received support from the Medtronic marketing organization. They liked the idea because the company could leave with an inexpensive product that could leverage sales of hiring in products later. That's the part about the upselling. Later on, when the population starts to purchase the product, then the company can upsell and go from there. And they are more concerned about the health and welfare of their customers. And these are my references. And thank you.